What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at the new job. Yesterday I was off, but we did have a few guys here, about half of our crew, and there is a bit of progress that obviously is not in a video. One thing I mentioned on the last video was that the two roofs on the side of the garage would be getting buttoned up, but obviously that didn't happen. There's just weather watch on them. They did add the brake detail to the side on both of the little roofs here. I'll show you over on this side as well. So they got that done. Obviously still quite a bit of work left to go on here, but the main thing that they did yesterday is they went around and got all of the plates set on the house over here, and all of the LVLs are in. So we're just going through right now, making sure everything is perfectly level, getting temporary posts up under the LVLs pretty close to where the lolly columns will be going, and then we're going to mark all of our 16s and whatnot, and then we have to get all of these 2x10 floor joists out. Alright guys, I gotta take this jib off of this machine. You may notice there's a new attachment on here. Well, it's not really, it's kind of an attachment. It does have the winch which connects to your hydraulic lines on here. It's not connected right now, but this is something that we picked up last week. I have not shown it, and we haven't used it yet either. It's just been sitting on the machine. It was actually, it might have been in the background of a past video, but I definitely did not talk about it. I will make a video just on this. We haven't even tried it out yet, so the first time that we try it, I'll definitely make a video. But basically it's just a winch that we can use to move material around a bit easier. Kind of tough to get out of. There we go. Alright, we got that off, but I have a list on a piece of wood over here of the boards that I need to pull off of this pile here. Alright guys, we just finished up lunch and we are getting back to work. We have quite a few floor beams in. About halfway across the front, I'm about to hop back over in this pile over here, crown the rest of them, get them cut to the length, and hopefully we can get all of these floor beams in by the end of the day. We are almost halfway, but I'm going to set this up on a time lapse as we set all of them, and we'll see where we're at later. All right, guys, we're just getting cleaned up for the day, but we got all of the floor beams in across the entire house. We have a couple pieces of the outside box here to go in, and we also got all of the solid blocking across the middle on top of this quad LVL here. This goes all the way across the house. There's a quad LVL here, a triple LVL across back there, and I believe there's a, Dad, that's a triple under the front, right? Huh? That's a triple LVL under the plywood up there? Triple or double? Double. Double LVL under there. So we didn't get all the posts in, they're just temporary right now. You can see like double 2x4s holding up the weight, but the reason there's so many LVLs in here is because this is a full second floor here, and you can't span the weight of both houses on just a single girder in the middle. So they had to do a girder back there and a girder in the front as well. But obviously we started getting some of this tongue and groove in on the front here as well. So pretty good progress. Tomorrow we can continue across the rest of this house. This project is starting to come along very nice, especially with the garage pretty much complete framing wise. So it looks very nice here. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.